Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. Today's episode, we're going to be making tomato soup. Start by dicing your onion. Next, slice your celery into 3 pieces. Use your bridge grip. Use your claw grip and dice your celery into small pieces. Next, julienne your red pepper and then dice into small pieces. Roll up your soft herbs and slice. Place them into a bowl when you are done. Next, we are going to peel and top and tail the carrot. Cut your carrot into 2 pieces. It makes it much easier to grate. Be careful when you grate. Keep your fingertips away from the blades. Place your grated carrot with your herbs on a plate. Melt your butter and oil together on a medium heat. Add your onion, celery and pepper. Cook until softened. You will see it's ready because the onion will become translucent. Avoid browning the vegetables, you are only looking to soften them. 5 minutes later. You can see that the vegetables are much softer now. Add in your dried herbs and stir well. Add in your basil and grated carrot. Cook until soft. Remember to season with salt and pepper. Add the can of tomatoes, or in this case, a box of tomatoes. Use your empty tomato container as a measuring cup. Fill it with water and add that into the vegetables. Then give it a good mix. Crumble in your stock cube. In this video, I've used a chicken stock cube. However, you could choose to use a vegetable one or any other meat flavour. Now, bring the soup to the boil and then allow it to simmer until your liquid has reduced by around a third. By the magic of television, this has only taken a few seconds. However, in reality, this will take around 10 minutes. After it has reduced, do a quick taste test. Make sure the seasoning is correct and there is a balance of salty and sweet. If you find that it is still a little on the sour side, I recommend adding a teaspoon of brown sugar to help combat the acidity. Remember to remove the thyme before you blend. Make sure you switch off the heat and then stir through the cream. You can, of course, if you want, substitute cream for milk or skimmed milk. Danger alert, the soup is really hot at this point. Make sure that you are very careful when using your stick blender. Make sure you blend the soup for a good 5 minutes to ensure the consistency is nice and smooth. While I'm using the stick blender, you can't see as it's off camera, but I'm also holding on to the handle of the pan. Look at that beautifully smooth consistency. It's time to serve our soup. Let's ladle some of this beautifully smooth, delicious tomato soup into a bowl. Use the back of the spoon to pour the cream on top of the soup. It helps the cream to stay on top. Neat little trick for you. I'm going to also add some pumpkin seeds. I like the contrast of colour, and I'm going to also garnish with some basil leaves as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope you enjoy making and eating this soup.